Muévelo. Mira, cierra los ojos. Are you playing the piano? You're doing really good.
Sounds good. Sounds very good. Sounds great.
You're a good first timer, mister. I think we're gonna have to get you in some classes. You're funny. Okay, say thank you for listening. Bye-bye. No, bye-bye. I'll stay here. I'm just gonna turn off the camera. Can you blow a kiss to the camera? Can you say cheese? Cheese. I love you. Valentino. I love you. Can you say I love you?